Okay, so now I will briefly explain about the advantages of a microprogramming control unit. Firstly, it simplifies the design of control unit. The cost for the design of microprogramming control unit is much cheaper than hardwired control unit. The decoders and sequencing logic unit of a microprogram control unit are very simple pieces of logic, while a hardwired control unit must contain complex logic for sequencing through the many micro operations of the instruction cycle. Thus, the sequencing logic unit of a microprogramming control unit are very simple, while hardwired contain complex logic for sequencing. Other than that, it is also has less error prone to implement. Next, the advantages of microprogramming control unit is that it is flexible. The design for microprogram control unit is flexible while the design for hardwired control unit is inflexible. Changes can easily be made to the design for microprogram control unit while it is hard to add new instructions for hardwired control unit. The problems with hardwired control unit is that it is complex sequencing and micro-operation logic. It is also difficult to design, test, and to add new instructions. It, lastly, it has inflexible design.
Next, we move on to the disadvantages of the microprogram control unit. The microprogram control unit has only one disadvantage, which is it is slower compared to the hardwired control unit. This is because the instructions has to be fetched from the control memory, which is time consuming. The hardwired control unit doesn't need to fetch those instructions. Therefore, there is no time needed to access the memory. That is why the microprogram control unit is slower compared to the hardwired control unit.
Why hardwired control unit is usually used for RISC, or also known as reduced instruction set computer. Firstly, RISC has fewer numbers of different instructions, so it is more suitable to use hardwired control unit. Next, hardwired control units use fixed logic circuits to interpret instructions and generate control signals from them. Even it is inflexible, it is significantly faster than microprogram control unit because no control memory access is needed. So it is proven that hardwired control unit is usually used and suitable for RISC. Next, why microprogram control unit used for CISC, or also known as complex instruction set computer. This is because microprogram control unit is flexible. Therefore, it makes CISC more flexible compared to RISC. Other than that, as CISC is more complex, microprogram control unit makes it easier to implement any changes to the design.